Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Heavenly Cuisine, where recipes have no bounds. In today's episode, we're making tomato sauce for both pasta and pizza, and then using it to prepare a delicious pasta dish. The ingredients you'll need for the sauce are 1.5 kg tomatoes, 1 capsicum, 2 onions, 1 full garlic bulb, 4 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoon oregano, 100 ml ketchup, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1.5 tablespoon salt, 100 ml olive oil, and 10 dried red chilies. Start by making egg-shaped cuts at the bottom of each tomato and removing the core at the top. In a pot of boiling water, add the tomatoes, roughly chop the onions and capsicum and add them as well. Add in the dried red chilies as well. Let everything boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, strain everything and transfer it to a bowl. Peel the tomatoes and place them in a blender. Add the boiled capsicum, onions and chilies. Blend into a smooth paste. The video may appear a bit blurry here, my apologies for that. It gets better shortly. Heat the olive oil in a pan, add finely minced garlic and saute until golden. Keep a close eye on it so it doesn't burn, since that happens to the best of us. I actually burned mine just yesterday. Add the blended tomato mixture and mix well. Add the sugar and salt, stirring to dissolve. Add the oregano and mix again. Then add the ketchup and mix to combine well. Finally pour in the vinegar and mix well. You can adjust the oregano according to your taste. You can add more or less. Cover the pan and let the sauce simmer until it reduces to a thick pasta sauce consistency. Take out half of the sauce for pasta. The remaining half will be used for pizza sauce. At this stage, the sauce for pizza is still too runny. Cook it on low heat for about 15 minutes until it thickens further. You will clearly see the difference in consistency once it's done. On the left is the pizza sauce, noticeably thicker, and on the right is the pasta sauce. Both can be stored in the fridge for up to 2 months. Now let's use the pasta sauce to prepare our pasta. A separate video on pizza using the pizza sauce will be coming soon. What you will need: 1 liter water, 1 teaspoon salt, 450 gram pasta, spring onions, 150 ml milk, pasta sauce, and 50 ml olive oil. All the ingredients will be listed in the description. In the same pan used for the sauce, add the water and salt. Add your pasta of choice and cook for about 15 minutes until al dente. Add the spring onion and pour in the milk for creaminess. Add as much pasta sauce as you prefer, but don't go overboard to the point you never want pasta again, which also happens to the best of us. Drizzle in the olive oil and cook for about 5 minutes. And that's it. A simple, flavorful pasta that becomes even easier when the sauce is already prepared. We're serving it with boiled eggs and hot black tea for balance. Try it out and let us know how it turns out in the comments. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.